Hi everyone and welcome to Paragraph Mapping. Here's what you can expect out of this explanation series. I'll ask that you read a passage. Then I'll offer an explanation of that passage. Lastly, I will show you how to map the paragraph as you read it. Here's today's passage. Pause the video and give it a read. So the passage starts off with a nuanced sentence that needs you to understand the meaning of to confound, which is to confuse. So what it's saying is dances aren't the products of one isolated culture. It then presents the tango as an example to further its argument. It talks about the tango's South American origins, but then discusses how it was influenced by other styles of dance from other continents and cultures. Then it presents its conclusion that we should see unique styles of dance as expressions of different cultures. So let's take a look at how to dissect this passage as you read it. I'd start off by reading the first sentence and reflecting on what it has to say. Understanding that the author is arguing that unique styles of dance are not the products of isolated cultures is key to understanding the flow of the passage as a whole. A key piece of information is presented in the second sentence, which is the birthplace of the tango, the Rio de la Plata, so I'd make note of it also. But the second part of the second sentence is where we see the author use the tango as an example to qualify the argument he made in the first sentence, that dance is not the product of an isolated culture. They go on to list the dances of other cultures that have influenced the tango. You don't need to memorize them. Just knowing where they are in the passage is good enough, just in case you need them for the questions. The author then restates his conclusion that unique styles of dance are the byproducts of multiple cultures in the last sentence, so I'd make note of that also. Remember, you should always write your summaries in shorthand notes you are able to understand. Avoid trying to make your notes perfect, as the only one who will be reading is you. If you can master rewriting the thoughts you read in your own words, you'll be able to understand the passage a whole lot better.